In this chapter, let's learn about HTML elements, which are pair tags, and we have also self-closing tags. Then after that, we are going to learn about the attributes. And finally, at the end of this chapter, we are going to learn about the comments. We will see how we can write a single line and multi-line comments. So let's start by our first part, which is our HTML elements. So let's go inside our body element. In here, we have two kinds of HTML elements. The first one, which we already saw, is a pair tag that we have to close it. For example, h1 tag. In here, if I type anything, let's type it pair tag. Then I also have to close this one, but there are tags that we don't have to close them like this. They are self-closing tags. For example, we have break, br slash, and it will close itself. Now, if I type any other tag in here, any other h1 tag, so let's type second tag. Now, as you guys can see, there are space between these two tags. If I remove this, save, now there is no space. Now let's add it back, save, and there is a space. So we have two kinds of HTML elements, one paired tags and one self-closing tags.